Alright, well I don't usually like to make a big deal out of the snow, but this is unbelievable. We got home today, and there's, I don't know, a good 8 to 10, maybe a foot of snow. Here, Lizzie. Come on out here, Lizzie. Come on out here, bud. So if you look at my car, I was literally pushing snow coming up the driveway. No frickin' exaggerating. So I don't know what the clearance is on this thing, but it's probably a foot or so at the front. And just appears to be no end in sight. Lizzie, go out in the grass. What you doing, bud? There's my golden retriever walking around, so however tall she is. Needless to say, the ride home was a little bit interesting. What you doing, bud? You having fun? Yeah, that was an interesting ride home. Glad we made it. Hopefully everybody else out on the road makes it home okay. Pretty crazy. I'm guessing, oh, here's a, if you look on the top of our neighbor's trash cans, that's a pretty good look at how much we probably got. Looks like about a foot. Yeah. And it's still coming down, so, oh shit, look at the roof. Holy crap. Yeah. Definitely a solid 10 inches. The Focus did great. She was a little beast on the way home tonight. Alright, just wanted to post this for Grandma and my friends down south in the sunny states. Love y'all. Be interesting to see what tomorrow brings.